Good morning, dear children. I hope all of you are fine and healthy. Welcome to maths class. I am your maths teacher, Sudhir Pujari. Due to the pandemic disease COVID-19, we are unable to take the regular classes, so I am doing recording. Let's see the chapter coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. So yesterday I think you have taken the notes. What do you mean by geometry? Geometry means geo or metry means measurement. Measurement of earth is called as geometry. And first, why the concept came into existence? Geometry is used to measure the area of the line, area of the given figure. So there are different kinds of geometry. In that, one concept is coordinate geometry. It is different from normal geometry. So if geometry means always we will think of measuring the lines, mapping, sketching, constructions, isn't it? So here there is one more different kinds of branch called as coordinate geometry. Coordinates. What do you mean by coordinates? How we can represent a point on a plane. Suppose this is the plane. What is the meaning of plane? It has plane is a surface which is having a length and breadth. Which is having length and breadth only. If it has length, breadth and height, then it is called as solids. So for example, this green board is a plane. I will mark a point A. Can you say the position of this point A? Cannot, because where A lies in a plane, it is difficult to locate the position of point A. So in your other classes, you might have learned, have heard number line. Yes. What is number line? Number line is a line which consists of integers or numbers. At the center it is 0 and 1, 2. When you move rightwards, you will get positive values. When you move leftwards, you will get negative values. Isn't it? So this is called as number line, or it is called as horizontal line. Can you draw the same figure in terms of vertical? Yes. So this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, like this continues. Clear? So it is a plane. As I said, it is a plane and it is a point. We cannot say, we cannot locate the point. Suppose this point lies nearer to this what number line. Suppose this point lies with this what number line. When two number lines intersect each other at a point O, then these number lines are called as axes. So this is called as coordinate axis. X coordinate axis. The horizontal lines are called as x coordinate axis, and the vertical lines are called as y coordinate or y coordinate axis. X axis and y axis. Where x axis and y axis intersect, that point is called as origin. Clear? In a plane, it is difficult to locate this point. In a what? Coordinate plane. Suppose this is a coordinate plane. Nothing but what? Graph sheet. In a coordinate plane, nothing but your graph sheet. Easily we can locate this point. Where this line? Suppose this is 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Clear? Then we can easily say this point is how many? 1 centimeter away from the y-axis, 5 centimeter upwards from the x-axis, 1 centimeter away from the y-axis, 5 centimeter up of the x-axis. Isn't it? If there is no axis, difficult to locate the point. So this came into existence. Coordinate geometry. What do you mean by coordinate? Coordinates are the points on a Cartesian plane. On a Cartesian plane. What is in the Cartesian plane? Cartesian plane is nothing but your graph sheet. So these points are called as coordinates of x-axis. These points are called as coordinates of y-axis. So where x-axis and y-axis meets, that is called as origin. When x-axis and y-axis intersects, it divides into 4 parts. Each parts are called as quadrant. What? Quadrant. How many quadrants can be seen? We can see first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Understood? There are 4 quadrants. In each quadrant you can see x point as well as y point. This is the x point, this is the y point. This is the x point and this is the y point. In each axis, in each quadrant we can see x coordinates and y coordinates. X coordinates and y coordinates. What about, can you say this? This is the right side of the y axis. Right side of the y axis is always positive. Left side is always negative. Upside is always positive. Downside is always negative. So in x axis the coordinates are plus, y axis the coordinates are plus. So the first quadrant consists of plus and plus, positive numbers. X coordinate and y coordinates are positive. For example, 2 and 3, both are positive numbers. In the second quadrant, what about x axis? Minus, y axis plus. Example, minus 2 and 3. In third quadrant, what about the x axis? Minus, y axis also minus. For example, minus 2, minus 3. In fourth quadrant, x axis is plus, y axis is minus, so plus 2, minus 3. Like this, I can give some examples. Clear? So there are 4 quadrants. When x axis and y axis intersects, divides into 4 parts. Each parts are called as quadrants. Doesn't have a word. Ordinate or abscissa. So the x coordinates have heard. The x coordinates are also called as abscissa, and y coordinates are also called as ordinates. Very important. Mark. X coordinates are also called as dash. X coordinates are called as abscissa. What is meaning abscissa? X coordinates. What do you mean by ordinate? Y coordinates are called as ordinates. So then Cartesian systems. So this system is called as Cartesian system. Means representing the points on a Cartesian plane. Representing the points on a Cartesian plane are called as Cartesian system. Also we have seen the graphs. So x coordinates are called as abscissa and y coordinates are called as ordinates. How we can find the points? How we can find the points on a Cartesian plane? Let's discuss in the next class. Thank you.